Hello, it's Emma Holmes coming in from Rockstar HQ, and I'm coming in because I have had a little job put on my radar today by the gorgeous Becky Coop, who said to me, I think that you need to sort this out, lady. So I kind of got my butt kicked a little bit, and we all have jobs. We all have jobs, right, that go to the bottom of a list. This is a job that went to the bottom of my list, and I'm going to show you what I've done. I'm going to show you the before, I'm going to show you the after, I'm going to take you through the process so that you can see how I have updated this section of my social media and what I have done. And it's taken me about 45 minutes. So it is not a massively huge job. It's one that you can get on your list, you can get done, and you can get on with. So I am putting it to you. Are you going to get this done too? Go and have a look. So I'm going to show you what this looks like right now, because I want to show you that some jobs do just not quite get done, or they end up not done quite right, or whatever it might be, but you know, they get left. And this is one that's been left because you can see that lots of this information is, you know, it's old now, and we need to get some playlists working in here that mean that you can access the stuff that you want to access really easily. So it is time for me to give these an update so that we can see exactly what we need to see. We can get to the playlists that we want to get to. So, you know, we can see that that's been updated 8 months ago, that was updated a year ago, that was updated a year ago. So it's time to really sort out these video playlists. And what I'm going to do is I am going to start from scratch. So I'm going to delete playlist. Yeah, I'm going to delete playlists. And I'm going to start all over again from the very beginning. I'm going to edit playlist, delete playlist. So it says, are you sure you want to delete this playlist? Yes, I'm sure. Are you sure that you want to delete this playlist? Yes, I am. So let's delete them and let's start again from the beginning with a blank canvas. Featured video, as I say, is absolutely fine. That's been updated quite recently. So I'm now going to create some playlists. The first one I'm going to create is Woo Woo Wednesday. Every single Wednesday, evening, we pop in with a whole stack of Woo Woo Wednesday. You might find, if you want to catch up on any of these videos, that there's a super message in there for you. Big love, Emma. In the meantime, also pop Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. UK time in your diary to join us live. So there we are. We've also got an element of promotion in there. So I'm going to press next, and then I can start to create that playlist. So I can start to choose the videos that need to go into Woo Woo Wednesday at this stage, and I can start to look at the ones that we need to pop in there and go through them and start to create a playlist. So I'm going to come back to you because you don't want to watch me doing every single step of this. You want to see the important bits. So I will come back to you once I have brought together some playlists for you and you can see what it's like on the other side. Speak soon. Bye. And now let's head to the after. So we'll go back into videos. We deleted all of the old playlists and we went through and created brand new playlists. So I've created 7 playlists. You use this button here just to add a playlist. And what you can do is you can add a brand spanking new playlist. I'm going to show you one. Let's put that in. I'm a flipping rock star. The journal. Rockstar, the journal is available right now for you to get your hands on. Bug love, Emma. Next, so it brings you up your playlist of your items that you might potentially want to put in to there. So I'm going to just shimmy on through and add some videos, and you just add them by clicking on them. So it's a really, really easy process to go through to click on the videos that you want to include. And the unboxing ones really are the ones that I want to grab. I think I might have gone past them. There we are. That one, that one, that one. And then you press next. Once you've selected your videos, they come in the wrong order insofar as I'm concerned. So you just drag them about, create playlist, and it will just hit its way in at the top. So if you don't want it at the top, what you can do is you can go to this one here, reorder playlists, and you can drag it down and press save, and then you get that in the order that you want it. So you can now jump in and find up-to-date videos of the ones that I have got going on there. And you can go in and you can look at your videos and you can add them onto your playlists, maybe once a week, maybe once a fortnight, maybe once a month, but it's one of those that you can keep updated, and then people can find up-to-date stuff from you, and your content will get more airing because people will see. So it's the changing colour of Emma Holmes's hair is what's really relevant here. Washed out, very blue, pink, blonde, a little bit of blue. So as you will see, the most of it is just the changing colour of my hair is the really relevant piece. But you can go in now and you can find mindsets, sales and money, social media, productivity and processes, I'm Flipping Rockstar, the journal, interviews, and they're all there for you to pick up and find whenever you have some spare time, or if you want to listen on in the background. So that is a little job for you to get done on your Facebook page. Speak soon. Bye.